My name is Sarah Hazeltine. I am a colony manager here at the mouse biology program at UC Davis. A colony manager will do all of the planning of the colony as well as all of the individual animal management. I was motivated to work with animals, and the STEM part was kind of incidental. And then I discovered how much I love figuring things out, solving puzzles, answering questions, and that is the bread and butter of STEM. I really can't get enough of that. I mean, I love figuring out how things work and answering questions of, even if I can't explain why something works, what causes it. I definitely started with the animal work and then moved into the science work, and now the science work is what I really love to do. I really love combining that desire to figure things out with the animal side of it, the sort of observational skills that you have to have as an animal technician to really notice when an animal needs attention, to adhere to the incredibly high welfare standards that we have. We have so many advances that have been made because of these types of projects, and to be a part of that and to see it in real time is mind-blowing to me. No matter how many people are involved, you are making a difference. I am very excited to see where we're going because of the rate at which the technology is improving. Just in the 8 years that I've been here, we have completely altered how we do things to do things more efficiently, more effectively. Trying to pin down women that inspire me is really hard because for me there are so many. I have to mention the first director that I had when I got hired here, because I did not have a CV that said I will be good at this. And she kind of took a chance on me, and then when I was working as a supply technician, again driving a van, saw my sort of aptitudes for some of the management and organizational skills and other things, and really encouraged me to do some more project work and to get involved in some of these things. And I don't know if I would have moved up to where I am now if she had not sort of enabled me to do that. We all have so much growing up to do when we first start our careers, when we're going through college, learning how to work well with others, learning to work in whatever field you're in. For me, there is something really profound about that old black and white picture of Margaret Hamilton standing next to her handwritten paper code. And to think about what our computers do now, to think about sending something, doing all of that in pencil. CRISPR is really exciting for me because the way we do a lot of our work involves multiple steps, and CRISPR eliminates all but one of them. I don't fully understand how CRISPR works. You don't have to understand everything about a field to be able to work in it and to be good at it. And at this point, I don't need to learn how different it is from the old stuff, because the old stuff that was cutting edge technology 10 years ago is already almost obsolete. We did some of the pilot work here. We had somebody here who did one of the first CRISPR papers. I've been here for 8 years. We didn't even know CRISPR existed when I started here 8 years ago. That's actually incredibly important to me. The fact that we can impact so many people's lives through what we do is a big motivator for why I want to do it. One of the things that a lot of people get stuck with is deciding on a career at a young age, finding out that they don't like the structure. Maybe they're good at it, but they don't like the structure, or they don't like the hours or the pay or anything else, and then they're stuck with no backup plan. I think really being open to different opportunities and going on a little bit of a self-discovery journey gets you to a place that you never thought you would be. I got where I am by kind of rolling with the punches. I did not set out to be a lab animal scientist. I grew up wanting to be a vet. I stumbled into a supply technician position at a mouse biology association and found what I was good at there, and it kind of snowballed from there. And now I do all of this project management and work with all these animals and all these really cool people. I don't have a list of ambitions as much as I really fully intend to keep doing what I'm doing and see where it takes me. I really enjoy doing it, that's for sure. So to answer the question about ambitions, I don't have a list of ambitions as much as I really want to keep doing what I'm doing and see where it takes me. I think that being flexible in your education and your career choices and really taking the time to self-evaluate and figure out what's important to you and why you want to do what you do are really essential to finding a career that you love.